In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map icon in Figma. We're keeping this quick and practical. You'll learn how to pull a clean, ready-to-use map icon from Figma's community and place it into your own project. This is perfect when you need a reliable icon without redrawing it from scratch. Start by opening your browser and going to figma.com. Once you're on the homepage or inside the app, look for the community area. This is where designers share files, templates, and assets you can reuse. If you don't see it right away, check the left sidebar or the top navigation. There's a tab labeled Community that takes you to the public library. Inside Community, use the search bar and type Map Icon. You'll see a variety of options: pins, markers, map outlines, and full icon sets. Choose something that matches your brand style: outline or filled, rounded or sharp. If you want to be extra careful, glance at the file description to make sure it's free to use and vector-based, which ensures it scales cleanly without getting blurry. When you find a template you like, click into it to preview, then select the option to open it in Figma. This loads the file into your workspace so you can inspect layers and copy exactly what you need. If the file is organized well, you'll see frames or pages with icons arranged clearly. Next, locate the specific map icon you want, often a pin or marker shape. Click it to select. If it's nested inside groups or frames, double-click to drill down until the exact vector layer is highlighted, and that way you copy only the icon, not extra labels or background frames. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. If the icon is a component, copying it will keep its vector qualities intact. Now switch to your own Figma project. Open the file or page where you want the icon to live, click on the canvas, and paste using Ctrl+V or Command+V. The icon will appear at your cursor or in the center of the viewport. From here, you can scale it proportionally by dragging a corner while holding Shift. You can also adjust fills and strokes in the right-hand panel to match your design system colors. Because it's vector, it will remain crisp at any size. That's it. Your map icon is now part of your project and ready to use in frames, components, or prototypes. If you want consistency across your designs, consider keeping it in a shared library later so your team can reuse it easily. Thanks for watching and happy designing.